Hey, what's up guys? This is Evan with Flippin Customized, and today we're going to be swapping in a new rear diff into my 1990 Mazda Miata, as you can see right here. I recently, around October, grenaded mine, so there is large chunks inside that shouldn't be there, which the diff is right there. So there's gonna be video, it's gonna be a collab with Japanese mini truck. He's coming over to assist me. So this will be a collab video. So yeah, I have a new rear diff. So this one was an open diff. And I went out and I bought a new to me, so used VLSD, so a vicious LSD from Mazda to put in this car. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, and this is Japanese mini truck. He's right here, and we got him slaving on my car. I'm not doing any work. He is doing all of it. I am making him do it. He is no, I'm kidding. Anyways, okay, so we're pulling the exhaust off right now, and then we're going to attempt to get this bad boy out of here, which is kind of stuck. It's not that it's stripped out. I can't show it to you, but there's a round nut kind of thing up here that doesn't, it's not a nut, it's round, and it's really frustrating. But it's spinning with the bolt. So we gotta figure out a way to get that out. So I think if we pull this axle off, we might be able to get to it. But yep, that's what we're doing right now, so. All right, and it looks like we got the rear diff out of my Miata. It was actually not that bad.
Filming it.
Oh, this is crazy. After some minimal struggling, we have the rear diff up in the car. So the car officially has an LSD, which is a pretty nice upgrade for a little sports car like this. It was not super easy. It's a little heavy, but we got it up in here. Now we got to get this bracket on. We're gonna re-grease up the CV shafts in the back, check the fluid levels, and bolt it all up, and it'll be done. That'll be it. Okay, and now we have the entire rear diff, I believe, fully installed with new fluid. Re-lube these bad areas up right there. So my custom exhaust setup here, my welds weren't as pro as I thought, so it needs an exhaust job. It's gonna sound awful, but for the time being, it is installed, thanks to the help of Japanese mini truck. Yeah.
I was gonna spin the wheel, but to show it, but
yeah, the e-brake's pulled, so that's not gonna work.
yeah, it didn't.
I think that's pretty much everything. So yeah, we'll get a video of us riding down the road in 30 degrees with the top down, because we're baller like that, and see what happens.
We got Evan filming again.
She is mobile. The rear diff is really grabby, so I kind of shot some brake rotors underneath the car, but that's okay.
Deja vu. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Just doesn't move. All right, let's see if it backs up. See if we can get out of the garage at least.
I wasn't used to it. I'm also not used to the feeling of the clutch because I haven't driven it in so long, but she moves, it's mobile, so we're gonna take it for a test drive. Top down, it's like 35 degrees, no front bumper, you know, full send. Japanese mini truck is peacing out. Thanks for the help. Now we got our boy Owen here. Part 2 of this video, he is gonna help me crack open the old rear diff just for the memes. We really wanna see what's going on inside of this thing, since it does this, but none of that. Oh, he did it with his foot. Never mind, I got excited for a second. Anyways, we're gonna crack this open. I'll probably sell the case, not the actual gearing, but the case is worth money and it's in good condition. So yeah, just pop this bad boy out. We're gonna take this bad boy apart. Might have to crack her loose, you know. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Am I missing a bolt? No, it's on. Hang on. Oh, the floor took a little fall damage. Okay, now we're gonna hit it like This is the professional way to do this, by the way. There's no other right way to do this. Oh! Oh, shoot! You ain't got nothing on me. That's spinning, isn't it? So that means, is there a way to pull these out? Let's see what happens.
Looks like it's still a car on the left side.
Huh? Okay, so we had to pull the axle ends out. So now this should pop apart. So record. Oh my god, you stupid. All right, rage time. Let me get the lip of it, yeah.
Oh, you should be able to pick it right up on now.
Oh my god. She is toasted. All right, and this would be the inside of our differential casing. Now, if you know anything about cars, that's not the best looking thing. Oh, that's supposed to be there. Looks like I got most of the big chunks out, but yeah. Let's see the catastrophic failure. To be honest, it must be the little gears that are in there, because all the outside gears are actually fine. So yeah, but that would be what happened to our Miata rear differential. Yay.